Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a clip look old in like vintage. First of all, you want your video on the bottom line, and then you want your green screen effect of like film grain, or this is like scratched film on top of it. So you want to go to color, and you want to click this little eyedropper, which I already have, and you want to come over here and go down to 3D. Now you want to draw where there's green. Okay, and then Control Alt H or invert it. And then you want to come over here, the invert button again. Okay, so you see how there's green haze here. We don't want that, but I'm gonna leave it in for now. But then you want to right click, add alpha node, drag this to that. Now if we go back to edit, you can see here that there is film grain, but there's green to it. So to fix that, we're going to go to color, and still back in this 3D tab, just hit despill, and now it's all gone. So to get the image black and white, you want to go to your clip, that is V1 for me, and then you want to go to this little button here, click it, you want to turn the saturation down, and now this is broken for me, but for you it shouldn't be broken. And you want to turn your pivot up. I turn it to 1, and I'm going to turn my contrast up just a little bit. Okay, so we're going to go back to edit now. And we're going to play through it. Make sure there's no like little glitches or anything. And that's it. So please subscribe. Have a great day. See ya.